common types of fake messages that I've seen out there are them saying that you've had suspicious activity on your accounts or fraudulent activity on your credit or debit card. Other ones include a fake invoice, a fake delivery notification, and even them trying to impersonate someone on a dating website claiming that they know you or something of those matters. Things like that. These type of text messages have certain things to them that make them seem a little suspicious, and we're gonna go over those things so you'll know. First one, legit companies don't ask for your personal information over text message. So that's a big red flag. Another thing that I've noticed is that when it comes to legit marketing, they usually send a text message from a 6-digit number as opposed to like a full 10-digit number. And that's another thing that you can check, is actually looking at the length of the phone number that it's coming from. Sometimes it can be a couple digits off, meaning that it can be a little long, as in the phone number would be like a 12-digit phone number. And you can use that and say, hey, this phone number is kind of long. Maybe this is a phishing text message.